last day, California reported more than 14,000 new cases and 104 deaths. The 7-day positivity rate is up to more than 6%, depending on whether or not people followed the health orders today. We could see another surge in cases in the next few weeks. And KPXY's Betty Yu talked with doctors who are now preparing for the worst. Betty?
That's right, Brian. Doctors say that the spread of COVID-19 on Thanksgiving will not be seen immediately, but the CDC is predicting that by mid-December, hospitals could be overflowing with patients in many parts of the country.
California just hit a record of daily coronavirus cases yesterday. In Los Angeles, health officials expect shortages in nurse-staffed ICU beds in the next 2 weeks.
We have a full ICU of people with COVID on ventilators who are fighting for their lives. So this is real.
The numbers aren't as bad here in the Bay Area. Still, Santa Clara County saw its highest daily number of hospitalizations at nearly 200 patients yesterday. San Francisco did not move into the most restrictive purple tier as expected earlier this week, but that could change.
San Francisco is like that last bit of sanctuary. It's like the safe house in Walking Dead, but you're being boxed in by all that purple, so it's only a matter of time because of people moving back and forth.
UCSF infectious disease specialist Dr. Peter Chin Hong said the rate of increase in cases and the number of hospitalizations are breathtaking. UCSF, for example, recently doubled its admissions, and that number has not changed this week.
We're seeing more of a variety of cases. So there are essential workers, there are people who had pandemic fatigue. They might have been really good and stayed away from high-risk environments for months and months and months, and then they went to that meal outdoors.
Because community transmission is so high, Dr. Chin Hong says people are getting the virus in indoor and outdoor settings. The CDC is stressing the importance of wearing a mask. It recently took a look at Kansas's mask mandate, saying it's proof face coverings work. Counties that implemented a mask mandate saw a 6% drop in cases. Counties that didn't saw cases rise 100%.
Canada also celebrated its Thanksgiving 6 weeks ago, and since then, the number of COVID cases diagnosed per day has more than doubled. The surge in the U.S. is expected to be worse.